welcome, I'm Binaisha M. Surti. One wise man said that the journey of 1,000 miles starts with that single step. And my first single step was athletics. Ever since then, there has been no looking back. Let's just say I have played almost every sport, from kho-kho to horse riding. It's this passion for sports coupled with my on-air skills that makes me believe that sports anchoring is my true calling. I have been writing and reporting on sports, but presenting on camera is the ultimate goal. And the bigger dream, to be India's youngest woman cricket commentator someday. Let's start with some football action. The beautiful Salt Lake City Stadium here in Kolkata went up in a roar as Kolkata inched closer to that knockout stage. Every single person here seemed to be having a marvelous time cheering on their favourite team. Kolkata and Kerala played extremely well to take that match down to the wire. The Indian Super League is one of the best football leagues which has taken the entire nation by storm. Luis Garcia fired a stunning header in the second half to help Kolkata win 1-0 and end that winless streak. Garcia struck a fabulous goal for Kolkata in that 51st minute. Currently, Chennai is standing tall on the points table, leading the charts by a whopping 22 points from 13 matches, while Goa is sitting pretty tight on second position with 21 points. Lots more coming up, stay with us. I'm here at the Eden Gardens and today was Rohit Sharma's day. What a splendid show by this youngster coming back right after injury. Rohit Sharma lit up the Eden Gardens with a scintillating knock of 264 runs of just 173 balls, including 33 fours and 9 sixes during this ODI year. He created history by hitting yet again the highest individual ODI score, surpassing Sehwag's 219, his own score of 209 and Sachin's 200. He became the first cricketer to register 2 double hundreds in ODI cricket. He also broke the record set by Shikhar Dhawan for the highest individual score by an Indian in limited overs cricket. Rahul Rohit unbelievably scored 186 runs alone in fours and sixes, making it the most by an ODI player. His special powers helped India reach a mammoth total of 404 runs. On the other hand, the Lankan wickets went down like a pack of cards. India struck back at crucial junctures. Dhaval Kulkarni was the pick of the bowlers, scalping 4 wickets. The Lankans didn't last too long as they were all out for a mere 251. That left India winning the game by a mammoth 153 runs. Rohit's heroics won a lot of hearts world over, including mine. While India sweep the series 5-0, or will Sri Lanka come out with a consolation victory in that last ODI? GK, it's back to you right away in the studios. It's time for the biggest carnival in the world. World Cup 2014 kicks off in Rio tonight and the opening match will feature the home side Brazil. For the next month, the biggest teams from the world of football will try to outdo each other to emerge as world champions. While world champions Spain are hoping for a repeat, it's home side Brazil that seems to be the hot favourites. From football to cricket, and Shah Rukh Khan's KKR has won the IPL 7, beating the Kings 11 Punjab for the second time. The grand finale turned out to be a cracker of a match with both sides giving it all they had. With a heavy dose of Bollywood and excellent cricket, it was the final truly IPL style. Our correspondent Sachin Rawat with that finale report. The Wrestling Federation of India seems to have used 2 different sets of rules for selecting men and women's teams for the Glasgow Commonwealth Games in July. While there are last-minute trials being held for the women's squad, no such provision is being made for the men's squad, leading to an ugly altercation. Hello and welcome, you're watching Studio Talk. I'm Binaisha M. Surti. The excitement at the studio is all explosive as we gear up to watch the finals of the Indian Premier League Championship 2014. Today we are going live with the finalists Kolkata Knight Riders and Kings 11 Punjab. We have a special show where we are going to give you a chance to call in and leave in your message for either one of the teams that you're supporting. I hope you've chosen which side you want to take. As you know, it's Shah Rukh Khan against Preeti Zinta. Are you going for flamboyant Shah Rukh's team, or are you going to side with Preeti's? Is it going to be Veer or Zara? While you're deciding, take down this number. It's 02233223322. Call in, leave your message to your favorite cricketers. Go live on Studio Talk. Once again, at the bottom of your screens, it's 02233223322. What are you waiting for? Pick up your phone and call us now. Well, that's all we have time for. Stay tuned. Lots more coming up on the other side. This is your host, Binaisha Msuti, signing off.